Hello, Taurus, and welcome to your oracle messages for whenever. Okay, there's something about, okay, we have to take a retreat, Taurus. Some of you guys may be taking a trip or going on a retreat, but you're being asked to kind of pull within right now, Taurus, for whatever reason, or this may be a retreat to recharge yourself. So Taurus, yeah, welcome to your oracle messages for whenever you get this video and it resonates for your situation, regardless of the date and time. Keep in mind, Taurus, that this is a general reading. So if you find the messages don't resonate for you at all, check your moon, your rising, and your Venus signs as well. Or feel free to check out the past oracle messages or S.O.S readings or any of the other oracle messages. Those are all timeless, okay? So let's see what oracle messages come out for you and what you need to know right now. You have a lot of security going on right now. There's another thing that's happening. There's some type of manifestation that's happening here. You may be coming into a significant meeting with another person as well. This is going to be life-changing for a lot of you guys. There's something surrounding your heart. I feel a lot of you, Taurus, there's a lot of energy and healing, and also an expansion going on in your heart center, Taurus. So there's a lot of earth energy and earth force that is happening right now. What I'm getting is there's something happening in your material realm, in your reality, in your environment, of a manifestation that's happening for your security here. There's a coming together. You notice this like mandala. I'm seeing something about a matrix though here. There's connections happening here that are coming together that is secure for you. And there's forces beyond your control, earth energy, earth forces, that is bringing this together, because you are also in the center of all this as well. I mean, of course it is you, Taurus, that is bringing these forces together and creating a security for yourself. But a lot of you guys are working with earth, excuse me, I was going to say earth angels. Yeah, you guys are, a lot of you guys are earth angels. You may be very connected to the archangels as well right now. Surrender fear. Let go of the fearful stories you're telling yourself and stay in the moment. Focus on solutions and celebrate every baby step forward. Very interesting that we got retreat. So there is something going on when it comes to our courage, or when it comes to absolutely surrendering fear. Look at this powerful being here. There's a lot of fire energy coming through, Taurus. So I see Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, also earth energy coming through here. So there's a need to retreat here, okay, to recharge your batteries, to maybe decipher and dismantle fears that are going on in the mental body right now for you, because there's something happening here that is out of your control. This is earth force energies that is happening because of your connection with spirit. So there's Taurus, are you paying attention to things that are grasping your attention in your environment? Are you feeling, for some of you, Taurus, are we feeling insecure about our security in our future? Are some of you feeling insecure about your security with having a companion? Or is there something going on here that we just have to really do some reflection on here? Because you have something that's manifesting, is what Spirit is saying. Okay, so you really have nothing to fear. What else for Taurus? Maybe there's something about, I don't know why I want to bring this up. It's either going to resonate or it won't, but there's something about a fear of repeating history or repeating a pattern for some. Look at this, Metatron, we have wisdom. Oh my. This is this energy that you really are working with here. So you are gaining so much wisdom, and also there's a lot of wisdom that is being bestowed on you from the angelic realm. And also for a lot of you Taurus, you may have a lot of past life history. I don't know why I'm saying it, past life history. You may have a lot of past life visions here that have to do with Atlantis or even ancient Egyptian times, okay? And that's just confirmation for you. What else for Taurus? Wow, look at that card. 7 of Cups. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, we need to talk about this for a second, Taurus. Water energy is showing up here, Taurus. So Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, some of you guys, there may be, for some Taurus, there is some focus, there is some need to work through some fears when it does come to our security and how we're feeling about our material gains, whatever it is. Some of you Taurus may need to just back off a little bit when it comes to trying to attain material things right now, and just surrender the how and surrender the control of that. I'm just saying it for some if it resonates with you, because Taurus, for some Taurus, there may be so much focus on attaining material things, and we may be confused, or we may be overwhelmed. We may be really emotionally overwhelmed as well, because there may be some deception when what's going on for some Taurus is a deception on what are the good things to attain, what are the good things that we want to take, okay? So use your discernment as well. For some of you Taurus that you're finding a lot of opportunities or options coming towards you, you really need to use your discernment on what is going to really give you growth and success, and which is the right cup for you. 7 of Cups here is showing up. I want to get a little bit more though for you. Let me get a little bit more about the 7 of Cups for Taurus as well, because the word determination is popping out too. So what else for Taurus on the 7 of Cups? Seven of Wands. My God, challenges. Ooh, boy. Endings, and the star, healing and hope, renewal. Sorry about the lighting. So Taurus, yeah, you're having to really stay determined. You've got to really battle some challenges right now. I feel that there might be a lot going on with Taurus. Maybe there's a lot of energies. Maybe there's energies also for some of you guys where it's like you're growing, and there may be other energies or opinions that you're really having to fight off, okay? Or you're just feeling like you really have to stand your ground here. You're definitely having something going on when it comes to spiritual advancement for yourself. So this is definitely something that you're gaining. Look at this. We have this card of wisdom, and I'm thinking of number 7 as a spiritual number, spiritual wisdom, and you've got 2 7s here, 7 of Cups and 7 of Wands. Okay. So there's going to be some challenges for some of you Taurus when it comes to trying to attain things that may not necessarily be in the benefit for you, because for some Taurus we may be focused on security too much and it's not really of value to you. So Spirit says, let it go, retreat. Maybe some of you guys need to take a little vacation, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. There's just a need to retreat, to really gain and recharge ourselves so that you can get out of any confusions as well if you're feeling confused about choices or options or what it is that you want to attain. Okay? Because some of you guys, not some of you guys, there was endings here. Some of it was very, very painful. So the 10 of Swords is showing up here. So we may be caught up in a lot of things going on in the mind that's triggering a lot of emotions right now that could be very challenging because you've had some type of ending here. Some of you guys, it was very painful. But there is a chapter that's closing, okay? So with this ending is really actually a beginning. It is a beginning end. I love that Aquarius energy with the star card showed up here right after that ending, because this is really signifying you're coming into a purification process. You're also coming into your star, your hope. Angel of hope is with you. I'm sensing a lot of you guys have a strong connection to the angel realm, okay? So they're letting you know, focus on your trust with faith. Focus on your purpose, your destiny. Focus on keeping yourself away from any energies that want to pull you back into old ways as well. For some of you Taurus, you need to hear that. You need to pull away from energies that want to pull you back to old ways of being, or old ways of habits or patterns, etc., etc. Especially with the star card coming here, because you're coming into destiny. You're coming into new choices and hope that is really in the benefit of you, Taurus. Retreat, replenishing, healing. Okay, some of you guys need to, the word garden is coming in my head for some of you guys. Maybe you need to surround yourself with beauty, with garden or gardening, or just nature itself, because there may be a need to refocus here on what we really want to attain in life. Okay, what else for Taurus? You're really powerful, Taurus. I just see this very strong energy just breaking through fear, coming into their North Star. And we have the star card here. And I sense a lot of you guys have been feeling very alone in the healing process of whatever has ended for you. A dream, something that you wanted to happen didn't happen, something fell apart, or something just came to a halt, a painful ending for you. Look at this, medicine. So you are gaining a lot of wisdom. This is really signifying a lot of you guys are healers. So I am seeing a shaman, a person, a medicine man here. So we have to retreat because Spirit is giving you messages. There's something special for you to receive. There's clarity for a lot of you guys to receive. And some of you guys haven't been taking some time to really reprogram what are the things that you really, really desire now. Some of you guys are just feeling really challenged about what it is that you're desiring, okay? So I'm seeing focus. I'm seeing coming back to Mother Earth, Mother Nature here, getting really grounded, but connected to the higher realms. Look at the universe here. Receiving messages. This is a time of great healing. If you got this medicine energy going on right here, and I was sensing that with your heart. What else? Yeah, I am sensing some of you guys are really around maybe a lot of energies right now as well. And this is something about you retreating right now is just really important because it's very challenging, whatever it is for some of you guys. I was just picking that up. What do we have? Nine of Comfort, Nine of Pentacles here, Earth energy. Spirit is confirming for you. If any of you guys are feeling anything, any fears around security, you have something happening in the, you have magic happening in the earthly realm here. Something is manifesting. We have Earth energy. This is Pentacles. This is solid. We have Nine of Pentacles here. Your time having to spend your, whatever, excuse me. I'm going to say this again. For some of you Taurus, some of your time that you've had to spend alone, healing and doing a lot of work to get through challenges, to rise from what you, maybe from some of you guys, you feel like you had to die, you risen from death here, right? That's what it felt like. It is not going to go unrewarded. You have gained some kind of wisdom from these experiences, Taurus, and you're going to have it pay off. Some of you guys are already getting a flow of abundance. So you need to really stay in tuned with, you have nothing to fear. Allow the comforts of life to show up and enjoy the comforts of life. Enjoy some independence as well for some of you guys. You're building something very secure and solid for yourself, and you're coming into a whole new level of luxuries, of self-worth, okay? You're coming into comfort. What else? I mean, you've got this security here, right? Earth force. Here's Nine of Pentacles. Earth energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Oh, Ten of Cups. Look at this. Inspiration. And I see the Two of Wands right behind that. So, oh boy, let's go ahead and just leave that there. Ten of Cups. Some of you guys, home is very significant for you. A wish is coming true for you. Taurus, you've got a home life that is going to be fulfilling for you. There's something about being in this, being in a state of comfort so that you're receiving. And I want you to see the diamond that is brilliantly shining on this card. Ten of Cups. You've got long-term happiness. You've got long-term commitment. What we were just talking about, endings, right? This ending is actually a beginning. And there is going to be a sense of commitment and something that has to do with family and home life. This is a card of happiness and fulfillment regardless, okay? And Spirit is letting you know you are receiving. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to grab the ones that I saw. So Ace of that, and we saw that. And now I looked at the Strength card. So yeah, this is all about you having the courage to move through, right? Surrender fear. And I'm seeing this courageous being here. So we have Leo energy. Yeah, keep moving forward. You're going to receive the strength. You're going to receive whatever you need to in your earthly realm that has to do with the comforts of your life and security, right? So that you come into your emotional fulfillment here as well. So you've got emotional and material fulfillment here. And what I love is Spirit is... There's going to be a passionate new beginning, and I do see this turning into a passionate partnership. So there is something coming together here. We have the Ace of Wands with the Two of Wands. There's inspiration, there's progress, there's I was sensing something coming together with these two hands here of partnership, meeting someone of significance here that really shares same aspirations as you do, okay? This is a new start. This is a new flame for a lot of you guys. So know that you're making progress. The Two of Wands is speaking about planning and deciding here. But what I'm sensing is this, there is this progress here. There is something happening and something coming together. Something is changing for you. There's an expansion of horizons here, new adventure for Taurus. What else? Something's really gnawing at some of you Tauruses, okay? So pay attention to what's gnawing at you, and don't allow it to control you in any way. Just look at it for how it is, and really just move on beyond that, because it usually has to do with fear or something that's just trying to block you from progress. We have community here, and we do have the Ten of Cups. So you're definitely coming into community, family, soul, tribe. A lot of you guys, there may be a need to start something new with this Ace of Wands. You may have something happen here when it comes to this fiery energy. Look at all the fire energy coming through this. So we have dancing, we have community, we have celebration. So get ready. Some of you guys may feel like you want to immerse yourself into a newer community. Okay, because I'm seeing some challenges with some. And some of you guys just need to know there is this sense of community coming together for you. And there may be something with number 23 or maybe even 25 for some of you guys. Okay, I just seen that in this card here. So you will be having some type of friendship. You will come into a sense of wholeness with others where you don't feel like you have to fight them off because it's very challenging. Okay. What else? Seeing a lot of you guys being like this medicine shaman person, this medicine healer, whatever, mystic, whatever you resonates with you, light worker, earth angel, whatever. Really being celebrated in a community as well, right? For your gifts. But there's more of a sense of sharing and abundance. See, look at this security. Something is coming together. So it is really important for Taurus to really clear the mind and retreat, because some of you guys, there may be lots of things going on in the mind that's confusing you of what you really want to attain here, what to choose from, or whatever it is. So you're coming into something here. Angel of Enlightenment, look at this. Something came breaking down, and this is divine intervention. Whatever was false foundation for you, it had to break down so real security could be built. And for some of you guys, there was a breakup in a relationship because it's not secure for you. As hard as it may be to hear that, right? But there is an ending here. And I'm seeing two people being blasted out of a tower here. There's been definitely a significant change. And some of you guys, some of you Taurus, there was a sense of enlightenment. There was a sense of awakening. So the other thing is something is happening for you, Taurus, that is divinely being, what do I want to say? Orchestrated here. Okay, let's get a little bit more about this Tower card for Taurus, because I'm seeing a surprise as well happening as some kind of change for Taurus. Give us a little bit more about this Tower card. Trust your intuition. It's a great time to learn a new skill, change careers, or invest money. Okay, so there's going to be an opportunity. And look at this. We do have inspiration, Ace of Wands. Something is coming to you. Watch out. It's coming to you from Spirit here, a new opportunity that's really going to expand things for you and bring great change. So some of you guys, you want to learn something. There may be a change in your careers that's shocking. There may be something that has to do with money. You've got to use your intuition when something comes changing the way that you think, feel, or do things here. So something is changing for sure. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on, hold on, hold on. There's another card here that wants to come out. Hang on here, Taurus. What is it? Something about taking off your masks. Some of you guys, you may feel challenged about really revealing a new part of you, or taking off something that no longer serves you because you've really outgrown something here. Some of you guys, there may have been a situation where deception was revealed and a mask was taken off, and this is what created a tower moment for you. So you must trust your intuition in this situation. Either way, some of you guys, there may be something with dancing or a new hobby for you that I'm picking up about, and because I'm looking at this thing, right? A great time to learn a new skill or change careers. Something is divinely coming towards you that's going to change the course of your destiny for a lot of you guys with the star card. So you do need to use your intuition. Now it's time to reveal the real you, and don't be afraid to reveal the real you. And some of you guys, yeah, what I was talking about, something was revealed to you in a situation that might have been deceptive, okay? And it brought great change because it's not built on security. All right, what else for Taurus? Okay, that's it for those. So let's find out, Taurus, how is Spirit helping you, Taurus? How is Spirit helping Taurus? Okay, this card wants, is there going to be other, okay. This card. Oh my God. Awesome. I can't even get over it, Taurus. You're definitely completing. Taurus, you better stay determined and keep moving forward for your reward. You deserve it, Taurus. You've been through hell and back for some of you guys. I know. You've been literally, some of you guys, risen from the dead, and some of you guys may be wondering how the hell it even happened. Okay, it's because you're very strong soul. Look at this. How Spirit is helping you is absolutely closing door completion. We were talking about that with this ending, and you have 10 of Cups, 10 of Swords, completion. How Spirit is helping you is absolutely closing that damn door, because guess what? That completion, that was very challenging for Taurus. Spirit is like, no, Taurus, you're moving on to something way better. You're moving on to the comforts of life because you deserve it, because you've been doing the work. And a lot of you guys had to do the healing process and the work on your own. And at the same time, some of you have really discovered things that really inspire you. You may feel that you found your soul purpose, or you're trying to find your purpose. Whatever it is, it doesn't matter. You're mastering something here. Spirit is helping you complete that door and close that door and open a new one. Okay? So don't you forget it. Love and light. Take care, Taurus.